Okay, Queens and Kings. Hey, you guys, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. Now, this video is a continuation, it is part 2 of me decorating my home for Halloween this year for 2022. I decided to cut it in 3 series actually, so there will be one more part because the video was so long to the point that I couldn't get all of it up at one time. So, sorry, but not sorry. Sorry, but not sorry. But anyways, I'm basically going to go ahead and start to clean the kitchen pretty much. Well, wipe it down because I really don't need to do no cleaning. I want to just go ahead and get things all organized. But first, I got to find a way to save my roses because you see they dying. So I'm basically going to cut off the dead pieces, pull off some leaves and everything, put them in some fresh water, then set it back on the counter. And then that's when I realized that I wanted to decorate. Well, I didn't mean to say that's when I realized I want to decorate. I meant to say that's when I realized I want to do some little changes in the kitchen just to spruce it up a little bit, give it a different vibe. And you guys know pretty much that's basically moving my appliances around, the ones that I can move around, just to give a different vibe. Like I said, since I can't change the structure of the layout of the kitchen, so I might as well just change some things around. So pretty much, and then we're gonna start to decorate. So let's do a quick little cleanup and wipe down or whatever the case may be, and get into decorating. So I'm pretty much gonna start here where I'm at. I don't want to do too much changes as in my decor because a lot of the decor pieces where they're located at now is pretty much where I want them to stay. I just want to swap some things out to bring some of the Halloween in, you know, and pretty much just do it that way. Other than just taking all the decor down and putting up all Halloween stuff in there, it's like, okay, well, I'm gonna house my original decor that I have sitting in places. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. So I ain't got to do too much changes. But question: how many of you guys are into decorating for Halloween? And I'm not talking about the old little crazy part of Halloween. Just talk about the cute part of where you the costumes and the candy, the kids. The vibe of what they give the kids to have fun and put a smile on their face. That's pretty much what I do because my kids love it. Well, definitely Andre, he loves it. Jasmine and Willie pretty much I got too big for it though, but they do like to see when I do decorate. They do like to see how the house transform and stuff like that, and I like to see that. So I'm into that part of Halloween. So I know a lot of people probably not, because people think it's all about the devil. That's all what's in your mind. That's how I look at it as. You know what I'm saying? But some people it's not raised up that way neither. So whatever your preference is. But our preference is over here, honey. We celebrate every holiday it is. I don't care how many times it's been changed or what went on back in the days or whatever. We celebrate it. And we're going to enjoy it to the utmost. Whoo, child. It just gave me a flashback. Like, oh my goodness, like not again. But it also reminded me of something too because one of you queens, shout out to you. You know who you are. I'm not sure if you want to be known, so I'm basically not going to tell your name, but I want to say thank you for that blessing. Thank you so, so much. Um, I received an anonymous, well, not anonymous because I know who the young lady is, but I received a blessing in a cash app of blessed be to get another vase. So I will be looking for another vase. I promise you I will. But I was just so shocked and surprised when I seen that on my phone because I didn't hear the cash app go off or nothing. I just picked my phone up and I seen it and it was like, wow, what is this? Somebody cash app me something. And when I opened, I seen the notes on it because I was like, maybe somebody sent it to the wrong person. So just gonna send it back. And then I read the notes on it, and I seen the word vase. I was like, wow, wow, she didn't have to do that. So, but I thank you, Queen, so much. You know who you are. I truly appreciate it. I received that blessing, and I pray that you get 100-fold back. I really do, because you didn't have to do that. But just knowing, like I said before, it's so many genuine people that support me on this channel. I couldn't ask for a better support system. So I know the ones who are here are meant to be here. The ones who are not, they just haven't found us yet. But they on their way. But thank you, Queen. Shout out to you. I truly appreciate it. All right, Queens and Kings. So this is pretty much the kitchen area, how I have it all set up. And I actually do like it. I made some changes here because y'all seen I had put that candle right here. Honey, that wasn't gonna make it. I know y'all was like, Val, no, 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 no. That is not gonna do it. So I just changed it. I like these little skulls here because they act like they doing a little selfie. Child, it is just too cute and adorable. It's too cute and adorable. And I got this little eek sign. I think I'm gonna paint it white so it can stand out more because pretty much you can't see it. But I got that from the Dollar Tree, I think. Yeah, from the Dollar Tree. And this pumpkin here is from, or this gourd here is from Z Gallery. And I kept it. I was trying not to change too much of my decor around because I really don't have nowhere else to put it but back into the storage. And I really didn't want to do that. I just wanted, whenever I get ready to take the stuff down, I take it down and that'd be that. But for the bar area, I decided to go ahead and put a place set in here since I won't have a dining room table pretty soon. I got these mats here, which is from, I think, Home Goods or Ross or something. This is the time that you guys can find stuff like this. These here are these little faux spider webs that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just use them as a placement. Mat every year. I use them as a placement. I don't use them for nothing else. These mirrors here, chargers came from Tuesday Morning, which I have not found down in Orlando yet, and I've been here years. So I really miss Tuesday Morning. These are some DIY little plates chargers that I made it just for decorative purpose only. And then I got these from, I don't even know, but I know I found them somewhere. I don't know, was these Michael's or was no, I think it was Walmart. So I think I found them last year or so. And I decided to put those there. And then, you know, my little black gobbles, I think that's what they call it, the little faux champagne flutes and stuff. So I did the same thing. I didn't put no utensils or anything out because I didn't want it to make it too crowded. You see, it's not that big because the placemat is already hanging over and everything like that. So moving into the kitchen, you see I changed this layout here. I think this is pretty much how I'm gonna keep this. I know the kids, Andre definitely gonna wake up in the morning like, Mom, what happened? Because he's actually asleep. So that is helping me a whole lot to pretty much still calm down. It's just a picture frame from the Dollar Tree, and I just flipped the insert that came on it, just flipped over and wrote October the 31st on there. And this here, you guys know, came from the Dollar Tree. So those are little tea light holder. So, but I do like this little setup here. And I think it's pretty much going to stay like I said. But I know the children going to be like, what? Definitely jamming because she's not even here right now. And over here, instead of me leaving this over there to the end there of the bar, I decided to put it over here because it says spells and it's a book. You know how you have your little cookbook or whatever. So, yeah, I thought that would be a real cute little touch for Halloween. You guys see me just try to refresh my flowers because I'm still trying to save those. Now up here on top of the refrigerator, I decided to put this little sign up here. You know, I got that from the Dollar Tree as well as that skull there, just to bring a little Halloween up here. Not much. Now this little vignette area here, y'all see me I pretty much was praying because this is pretty much what I was doing over there to the bar when the big one broke. Yeah. And inside my cake stand here, I just put some pumpkins, some bones and skulls and hands and, you know, stuff like that, just to bring a little of the little glam portion over here. And I decided to put the candle and everything here because I think it'll fit better here other than there. And for the sink area, I swapped out the other soap pump and put this one here. And then this thing here is basic for you, like if you have a scrubber, that's what it's for. You put it in there, but I'm gonna use it for like a little tea light candle holder so it can reflect and say boo. And I decided to go with my skull towers. So yeah. So as you all can see, my theme is pretty much basically skulls. I really do like them, and that's pretty much my thing of spooky glam. So yeah, the light on so you guys can see it a little bit better. Because I just realized I was filming in the dark, pretty much using a night light over the stove. You guys already know what that is. But I do love her. I love how it looks, just simple. And that's pretty much what I do for Halloween. So this is pretty much just going to be it, queens and kings. I hope you guys enjoy this little bit of cleaning as well as decorating with me, because there will be a final part where I'll be doing the living room area, the foyer, and the entrance pretty much. But if you queens and kings enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, your crown may tip, but a damn show won't fall. You queens and kings continue to be royal. Bye-bye.